This video demonstrates how to carry out routine cleaning maintenance on the FARGO DTC5500LMX lamination unit. Open both input hoppers and remove all the cards. Open the printer cartridge door. Remove the printer ribbon and the cleaning roller. Insert the empty ribbon drawer back into the printer. Open the lamination unit cover and remove the lamination material. Close the lamination unit door. Remove the paper backing from both sides of the cleaning card, part number 82139. Do not remove the small liner strip if a magnetic encoding module is installed in the printer. Insert the cleaning card into the card hopper in-feed rollers as shown. On the PC or laptop, click Start. Click Devices and Printers. Right-click on the DTC5500LMX printer icon. Click Printing Preferences. Click Toolbox. Click the Clean Lamination tab. Now click the Clean button. The printer now pulls in the cleaning card and starts cleaning the lamination card rollers. Cleaning Laminator is displayed on the printer LCD screen. Open the output hopper door and remove the cleaning card. When the cleaning routine completes, open the printer ribbon drawer. Load the printer ribbon and the cleaning roller into the drawer. Load cards into both hoppers and close the hopper doors.